listening to?
You're listening to Kingdom Radio.
Welcome to the Christmas Light Installation Podcast on Kingdom Radio. We're with Kingdom Christmas Lights. My name is Ron, and I'm always with my beautiful wife, Laura.
Yes, Merry Christmas, everyone.
It is definitely Christmas, and we're talking about putting Christmas lights up on your house and how.
How do you find the right contractor?
Great question. Now let the man talk.
What's the process? What's the things to look for? What's the secrets? I mean, do I just trust a good website or a few good reviews on a company? I mean, what is really the things to look for when choosing a Christmas light installation contractor? So that's what we're going to dive into.
You're listening to Kingdom Radio.
Having a nice website, that's always a plus. Having good reviews, that's always a good sign. These are things that people look for, but when you're actually talking to someone who owns a Christmas light company, like if you live in the Houston, Texas area, the company that you call is Kingdom Christmas Lights.
Kingdom Christmas Lights.
That's the company that you call, and I'll tell you why. It really comes down to the materials that are on the house. Now, the purpose of putting Christmas lights up on your house is because you want to enhance the Christmas experience for you and your family.
Real talk.
You know, for your property. Or the same goes for if you have a business. Now, true, you have a tree up. True, you have a smile on. True, you're in the giving spirit and you're doing these Christmas things, Christmas cards, Christmas family photos. But putting lights up to your house enhances it to a whole nother level, in addition to making a statement to your neighborhood or to the community. So having lights up on your house, there is a value of it, but your Christmas experience could be soured by a poor quality Christmas light contractor that you do have lights on your house and you did pay for these lights, but they don't work or they're falling off. So what are some things to look for to avoid these
problems?
I ain't looking for no problem.
Make sure you're making Christmas great again, Lauren.
Making Christmas great again.
Oh, yes. Make Christmas great again. Like Ron said, it's definitely the products. Where is that contractor getting his products from? Are they customizable to the house? Or is he hiding the light bulbs in the gutter, which can cause the house to trip when it starts raining, especially around here in Texas?
You tell him, sister.
The other thing is the service. You know, how is that Christmas light company? Are they going to service if we have a windstorm, which happens very often here, if the lights start falling down? And then, you know, that house would look better if you didn't have lights on it because you just can't get somebody on the phone.
Baby, let me get that address.
And I guess finally would be the taking down of the lights. You don't want to have those lights still up and getting those letters from the HOA in March and April. Is that company going to come back in a timely fashion and take down the lights and all the stuff around with it?
Absolutely.
Hey, turn that up. He's talking about Christmas spirit.
It's really hard to tell if someone is in it for the money because there's a lot of money and a lot of moving parts in the Christmas light business. But why did you get into the Christmas light business? Do you have a love and a passion for Christmas? Is that what motivated you to get into this industry? Or are you a money motivated person that found the Christmas light industry and that's how you run your company? Because when it comes to Christmas, people's Christmas experience is very special to us.
Yes.
We are lovers of Christmas. We are enthusiasts, both of us, groupies, in just lack of better words, for Christmas. We really are. You know, Santa Claus and the Christmas experience, that is a traditional thing passed down from family to family and generation to generation. This is very important to us. And when you trust a Christmas light installation company, we believe that's a great responsibility to be trusted, like doing someone's wedding.
Yeah.
Let's break it down on a deeper level, Pastor.
Yes, Lord.
You know, I hire you to do lights for my wedding, and then you don't show up until the 2 days after the wedding to put them up there. I mean, it's completely unacceptable, but disrespectful on a whole nother level. That you ruined my daughter's wedding or my family's Christmas experience. I put that on the same level.
You got that right.
You're listening to Kingdom Radio.
So finding someone who's that passionate about Christmas, you're not going to be able to see that on the website. You may be able to see some clues, but talking to someone, this is the kind of company that you want to do business with, and this is the reason why I suggest you do business with our company, Kingdom Christmas Lights.
Kingdom Christmas Lights.
If you live in the Houston, Texas area. If you don't live in the Houston, Texas area,
Don't worry.
we have a network of Christmas light installers throughout the country, but the things that you're looking for is you're looking for a company that's bigger than the two guys in a truck.
Real talk.
Now, asking if somebody has insurance, are they going to lie to you? Yeah. But if they show you the insurance,
You're gonna have to show me.
one thing that showing someone that they have insurance says is they pay $1,200 to $1,600
Minimum.
for something for their business like insurance. But do they have 5 or 6 people working for them? So that way, if there is a problem, they can have, 3 guys over here and 2 guys over there. And, we actually run 10 crews of 3 people or 2 people. So we always have 20, 30, 40 people running around in season. So if there's a problem with, hey, my timer's not working, or, hey, oh my goodness, one light bulb's not working and I got family coming over, whether they are or aren't, within 24 hours, we respond to every single trouble call. That's how we do it at Kingdom Christmas Lights. But you have to have a big team to pull that off. Just 2 or 3 guys, there's just no way to do that, to realistically anticipate what your schedule is going to be today, next week, the week after that, in such a short seasonal business. So people become unprioritized and they're not as important as these other ones, and people get off to the wayside, and then that habit continues in a takedown. It started ignoring phone calls and it just never stopped. We deal with that all the time. It's sad, but
Hey, turn that up. He's talking about tips.
that is one tip that I would look for, is go with a company that has multiple crews installing, so their service more likely will be better.
Oh, yeah, 100%.
And Christmas spirit.
Christmas spirit.
That's hard to tell, but someone with Christmas spirit. These are things to look for when finding a reputable company. But once again, Laura wants to let you know that Kingdom Christmas Lights leads the way in Christmas spirit in the Christmas light industry, and on the Christmas Light Installation Podcast here on Kingdom Radio.
Kingdom Radio.
You can find us anywhere audio streaming can be found. What is the final words?
Well, if you'd like to talk to us here at Kingdom Christmas Lights, you will talk to Ron or I, and our number is 346-291-4492. And if you'd like to check out some Christmas eye candy, you can go on our website at kingdomchristmaslights.com.
That's kingdomchristmaslights.com.